Kaiser Permanente is pledging $150,000 to help the Community Health Partnership in Colorado Springs fight COVID-19 among the homeless population.
Officials with Community Health Partnership say the money could not come at a more crucial time. KRDO News Channel 13's Mia Villanueva tells us what they're up against as case numbers in El Paso County continue to rise. It's part of our continuing coverage.
I'm here at the homeless isolation shelter on Kiowa Street. This is where homeless people can come if they need to get tested or treated for COVID-19. Since they opened back in April, they've had an estimated 130 people pass through their doors. 95 were tested for COVID-19. 14 of those tests came back positive. That number is only expected to go up come winter. Officials with the Community Health Partnership say of those 14 people who tested positive, only 2 were during the summer months. The other 12 tested positive for COVID-19 within just the past 4 weeks. Officials say those numbers prove the recent spike in cases among the general population has had a direct impact on the homeless. The difference is homeless people don't have access to the same resources, and officials say that difference has proven to be fatal even before this pandemic started.
The homeless population is very typically 2 to 3 times more likely to die than our house populations, just because of the availability of what we have in our homes to utilize to get well with.
In Colorado Springs alone, over 3,000 people experience homelessness during any given month. But the situation could get worse in January when the statewide moratorium on apartment evictions expires. The $150,000 the Community Health Partnership receives from Kaiser will not only help them combat COVID at their homeless isolation shelter, it'll also make vaccines for the flu and pneumonia more accessible to the homeless people in the Springs. Officials believe some homeless people have avoided shelters altogether in fear of the virus spreading within these shelters themselves. Their fear is once temperatures continue to drop, those people won't be able to survive in the cold. Reporting in Colorado Springs, Mia Villanueva, KRDO News Channel 13.